Just like a child who trusts his father dear, and who delights to feel his presence near. Just like a child whose mind has not a doubt, and whose heart is never proud. Here I come, oh Lord. Here I come just like a child. Here I come, oh Lord. Here I come just like a child. Just like a child, so weak he cannot stand, but to hold firm and tight his mother's hand. Just like a child who sings in bright delight, fearing not the long dark night. Here I come, oh Lord. Here I come just like a child. Here I come, oh Lord. Here I come just like a child.
I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID-appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask or a face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19.
Hi, good morning students. I am your Somashankar sir. Today's thought for the day is, your value does not decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. I repeat my thought. Your value does not decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. Thank you.
It's a time to come together. From the east and west we gather. Be it north or south, don't matter. As DB's kids we matter. Children the end, Don Bosco's pride. God's own hand to solely guide. Growing by virtues but steady, learning forever good, ready. Hey, 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 hey.
Good morning children. Children, today's vocabulary word is gloomy. It is an adjective meaning sad without hope. Example, the gloomy look on his face told me that something was wrong. I repeat, today's vocabulary word is gloomy meaning sad without hope. Thank you.